We're gonna ride the bus again, guys.
Yeah.
Let me show you the bus. Wait. So that's the bus that we're gonna ride, guys.
Yep.
We're gonna sit at the
Wait.
top on the second floor. Look. That's why we are covered because it's so cold at the top.
Yeah, I can see today is colder. We're gonna go the other side.
Guys, you know, where are we? We are in Koreatown. Maybe we can? No, there's a car. Town.
Ah, souvenirs.
Yeah, they have souvenirs like that, keychains, so on and so forth. Look at guys, they're doing jogging because it's really cold. Hello.
This is what people do here to heat their body.
You're so cute. And then we are here, guys. So we're gonna try if, you know, we're gonna look close here. This is the what? I cannot even speak because of the coldness. There's the sun, but the wind, guys, oh my goodness, it's super cold. And then there's still a snow, you know, still not melting. Look at Hanser. Oh my goodness. It's really big, guys. Hanser really want to see this. And look at the fighter jet. Oh my gosh, at the top. Look at the anchor. Oh my gosh. Even the anchor is bigger. Way bigger than me. Wow. What? Wow. So cold. Like now I cannot feel my hands anymore. I don't know how to turn off this camera. Wow. Totally become penguin. Your nose is red.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go. Here, guys, you're gonna pay a ticket. Look at the admission. Adult 38, senior 36, for the child 28, child under 4, under 3, and then member free. So we made it, guys. We're here inside. And we're gonna go to the Tower 1, which is here. And then later on the submarine. This one is submarine. We're gonna go there later. Let's go here first. Tower 1.
Okay.
And then Tower 2.
Tower 2 for the
Submarine.
Okay. Let's go. Hello guys, we have many planes. All of them very important at a time in the history of this country. This black one that we have on the right, I think it's a really fast one. It looks like one of those. Let me see what kind of plane it is. Right here, guys. Ah, all right, the famous one. Look there, guys. That's the A12, one of the fastest one made by no other than the Americans. The specifications: top speed 2,269 miles per hour. It's really fast. Got another one on our right. Let's see this one. Not sure what it is, but we're gonna see right now. All right, so Israel Aircraft Industries KFIR. So this one was designed by them. It was also used by the Colombian Air Force to rest in. This one is not that fast, guys. See there, 1,560 miles per hour. Still fast, not like the black one. This was probably this design, the F-16, was what the Americans were proud of. See the speed there, 1,500 miles per hour. Like fast turning, kind of a dogfight where you have to beat the other plane in a very acrobatic maneuver. Okay, here we got more planes, guys. Ah, okay. This one they use it in North Vietnam. Okay, makes sense. That one over there, that seems to be an older one. That design, maybe from the Second World War. Let me see. I'll see. Okay, this design, if we look here. Alright, this is from the Second World War. It was used in the Korean War. Right?
This is very old, just after the war. First kind of jet, before only propeller.
Oh, yeah.
Jet, fast, 4 ships, special, not very big. You can see 4 guns under the nose.
I know, right?
Also, is interesting, the guns, they're not straight. Guns are like this. When you fire, all bullet 1 point. More damage.
More damage. Alright, let's go back. Over there you guys could see on the right the helicopter. And if you guys look over there, that's Chai. Alright, that helicopter right there, it says Coast. So maybe it was used by the Coast Guard. The other one says Navy. Alright. For rescue. Okay, makes sense. This one, the Navy. This other helicopter, the Sea Cobra. And there you go, Vietnam War. That's why you guys gonna see this one on the movies. Then we got a different one here. It's from the army. Never seen this one. It entered military service in 1959. Also from the Vietnam War. Yeah, I seen this one too. Just didn't remember.
You guys like to do an elevator ride? Okay,
okay.
it's a demonstration.
Okay. All right.
Officer's cabin. Kwarto, papi.
Andito.
Yo.
There is a map.
Radar.
Look, the captain's sea cabin.
Kapitan, papi.
We might be cruising at around 15 knots down here. All speed is a little over 250. So these dials are trying around the whole floor. Thank you for coming. Knots per hour. Well, hi.
It's a very good time. Sit on that here.
Basta, baby.
Here, I think this is to know.
Yeah, south, southwest, west, northwest. You know, like that.
Right.
And you can see the ano. Wow. Thank you, wala.
This is a good experience
Yeah.
because the Jeep has so many things. Look at that.
Radar.
Right there, another one.
You can see the ano.
Yeah.
Something's.
TV.
Yeah. Oh. Captain's chair.
Ah.
Yeah, the kapitan.
Yeah. So you sit here.
Yeah. Sorry. Then here you can see the runway.
Oh yeah.
My kapitan.
I'm the captain. Captain say, let's go down.
Let's go down. Okay, you go down first.
Okay, Captain say this one is more step. This one is higher. Okay. From here.
It's very...
Yeah. Don't worry. With Captain, you're safe. Safe.
You're very funny, baby. And then we go back. This is the second,
Another one.
yeah. Including the bridge.
So we had one here,
And one at the
the
top.
other one on the top of this one.
But who's the one managing
Right.
it? Another? What was that? I don't know.
There was no computers, GPS, but there was. They had 3,000 telephones here to begin with. 3,000 on Intrepid. And Admiral Halsey, who commanded the fleet, was inside the New Jersey battleship.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. What did you say?
You too.
Hi.
Hello.
English?
Yes. Pablo.
¿Están juntos todos cuatro? ¿Los cuatro? ¿Are you together? Oh, okay. Okay. Bienvenidos al ponto del almirante. La diferencia entre el capitán arriba y el almirante es que un capitán comanda su propio barco en un solo barco. Pero cuando hay guerra, maniobras militares, se necesita alguien sobre los capitanes, que es un almirante para comandar varios barcos o varios capitanes. Esa es la diferencia. Cuando no hay nada especial y guerra ni nada, eso estaría vacío, pero arriba estaba siempre oficial por el capitán. Porque el barco nunca paraba, noche y día, tiene que seguir. Esa es la diferencia entre los dos. Cuando hay guerra o maniobras militares, se necesita alguien sobre los capitanes. Porque en teoría un capitán no puede comandar a un capitán. No estamos hablando de eso, de guerra militar. Se necesita alguien sobre los capitanes para comandar la coordinación de los capitanes. Y con ese mapa que se ve, varios barcos, la Segunda Guerra Mundial, 26 barcos, ese era un grupo de batalla. Y el almirante estaba justamente donde ustedes están, en el centro ahí en el techo, comandando los 16 barcos de guerra, incluyendo el capitán del Intrepid.
Wow. So amazing, guys. That you can see inside. Worth it.
Every,
I can see. I can see.
Warship.
Warship, yeah.
Well, this one is more than a warship.
Yeah.
It's a U.S. carrier.
So cool. I like it. Even if I don't understand every detail like this, like that. My gosh.
Right. You like the story behind
The story, like that.
Number 1, 2. Over here. Okay.
I cannot even. Oh my gosh.
Good morning. Welcome to the ship.
Thank you.
We have bathrooms here if you need.
Okay, thank you.
Map, information, and a big model of the ship.
Oh wow, I go there. Oh my gosh, look at guys. Wow, so cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, so big, guys.
This helps airplanes to fly. With steam, you bring airplane upstairs.
Okay.
And it's a very big rod with a hook. And you hook the front of the airplane, you open the steam,
And then,
and it throws the airplane in the air.
okay.
It's the only way. You can see it in the video.
But if catches steel wires connected to arresting engines
Yeah.
capture the momentum of the landing aircraft. The arresting engines act like giant shock absorbers to slow the plane from 130 miles per hour to a full stop in 2 seconds. These operations are so well timed that
little
the
room.
Intrepid flight
So,
crew
this is what the hook on the airplane.
and land one every 50 seconds by day.
And this is what
Every
the
60 seconds at night.
Yeah.
During
I
Intrepid's
thought it's
time
just.
of active duty,
Very up.
her crew performed this also
You have 7, 8. Try to catch.
thousands of times.
You can see the
And for
airplane.
every man on board,
This one.
experience was always unreal.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
We'll stop in 2 seconds. Boom.
I know. Like a forest one.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Getting
cool.
aircraft in
Hey, let me see. I want to
on the flight deck of the Intrepid is a complicated process. A split-second ballet where machines and manpower must support each other in what could be the most dangerous workplace in the world. A carrier's runway is short. JFK's longest runway is more than 14,000 feet long, whereas the Intrepid has a mere 250 feet of landing area. Hundreds of functions must be coordinated to safely launch and land planes on this tiny target. Sending an aircraft into the sky is called the cat shot. During alert situations, an airplane must be ready to launch at a moment's notice. The aircraft is crewed, started, hitched to a catapult, and sent skyward in as few as 7 minutes. More than a dozen specialized groups of naval teams performing coordinated tasks, ready both plane and pilot for a mission. In preparation for launch, the aircraft handlers guide the aircraft onto the catapult shuttle, attaching it to a harness threaded with thick steel ropes connected to the airplane by a hook under each wing. The pilot brings the engines to full power, checks his controls and instruments, signals his readiness with a salute, and the catapult is fired. Getting a 12-ton jet up to speed for takeoff requires a huge blast of energy. That energy is delivered by steam-driven catapults right under the flight surface. Steam pressure from the ship's engine is released into the catapult cylinders, forcing the pistons down the track, pulling the aircraft to takeoff speed. It's 0 to 150 miles per hour in only 2 seconds. Taking off from Intrepid is exciting. Returning to a flight deck is exacting. This is called the trap, often described by aviators as a controlled crash. If landing on a tiny airstrip was not complicated enough, the pilot is also challenged by the rise and fall and twisting of the deck as the ship churns through the waves at nearly 40 miles an hour. So, Navy pilots make sure they are down solid, generally landing hard on all 3 wheels at once, rather than gently touching on the back wheels first, as commercial pilots do. Pilots may sit solo in the cockpit, but with only 250 feet of landing area to hit, they have lots of help on every mission. Since the 1950s, pilots have been assisted by the Optical Landing System, nicknamed the Meatball, an illuminated optical device mounted on the side of the ship that tells the pilot where his plane is in relation to the flight deck. As the plane approaches, the landing signal officer asks the pilot to call the ball, confirming he can see the Meatball's image lined up. The pilot approaches the flight deck at high speed and rapid descent, using the aircraft's tail hook to try to snag one of at least 5 arresting cables stretched across the deck. At the instant he makes contact, the pilot guns the engines back to full power, just in case his tail hook misses every wire and he has to make another approach. That's called a bolt. But if he catches, steel wires connected to arresting engines capture the momentum of the landing aircraft. The arresting engines act like giant shock absorbers to slow the plane from 130 miles per hour to a full stop in 2 seconds. These operations are so well timed that the Intrepid flight deck crew can launch 2 aircraft and land 1 every 50 seconds at night. Every 60 seconds at night. During Intrepid,
Take a picture of the bomb. Downstairs.
technological teamwork thousands of times.
And this you can see from this side. This is a real bomb.
Wow.
And we have elevator to bring the bombs up.
A split
A
second.
hole?
You can see downstairs. It's a very deep ship.
Look at that.
This floor here is number 7.
Number 7.
6 more floors.
Wow.
Yes. But the floors downstairs is not so tall. Yes? This one is much tall. Downstairs people. 3,000 people.
3,000.
Yes. So this is tall because garage for
Yeah, for
airplanes.
the airplanes.
This floor, 100 airplanes. Yes.
How can
And
they...
you can see how big it is.
No.
So we say 3,000 people. How much food you need? Every day, 3,000 people. Every morning breakfast, 5,000 eggs.
Wow.
Minimum breakfast. A lot of food,
Every
6,000 potatoes, 2,000, 1,000 kilo meat every day. So yeah, you need this not only airplanes, it's food supply, cleaning
Yeah.
up, doctor, dentist, priests, everything. Yeah. So it's like a small city. That's how you have it.
In the middle of the sea or whatsoever.
All of the sea, yes. So because we cannot carry everything, so much food, every week there is delivery. A cargo ship will come, unload, and then go back.
Oh.
So every week we get delivery. So this is, you can go downstairs, number 3, see the kitchen.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Later we can. Thank you. Wow. Look at the uniforms. A sailor one. Ah, officer. Officer's uniform. I think this one is the pilot. Yeah. Wow. This is marine.
Ah, the marine.
Yeah.
Here.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
That's the cheap, baby.
Yeah.
This is the remember we were there. It goes up and down.
Yeah.
The elevator. No, I'm sorry. The
This
elevator
one.
is this one.
Yeah, that one. With the doors, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll video you. I'll take video. You go inside. Are you now a piloto? Look at guys, I have my piloto here. Ton, 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 ton. You're so cute, baby.
This is for two.
Quarters. How they sleep.
That much space for 3,000 people.
Yeah. Hey. I think you can go inside. I think you can go inside. But be careful. That's how they go down. Maybe this is the kusina that he's talking about.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Mira la cocina. La cocina del gato.
Yeah. Wow. Imagine. They cook a lot of meals. Ah, they also have bakers, my love.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Kitchen here. Baking.
Yeah. Look at how they eat. Their beds are hanging.
Yeah.
I think that's the sound when they are sleeping.
Ese es el sonido que tú escuchas cuando yo dormía. Oye, ¿este roncando? Esta es porque yo mío. No.
Yeah.
La mames.
Rank has its privilege.
Yeah.
Rank people. Yeah, of course. Always. Always they have privilege. A lot of privileges.
Is this
What does it say? How about you too? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. World War II compliment.
in total 2,900
Ay, it's too cold.
Hi, my name is Molly, and I'm a tour guide here at the Intrepid Museum. You're about to explore the former USS Growler, a guided missile submarine that served during the Cold War. I'd like to share some background on Growler to prepare you for your visit and give you a better understanding of this submarine's significance. By the time I'm finished, you'll be ready to enter the submarine. Growler served with the U.S. Navy from 1958 through 1964 during the height of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union.
Estados Unidos y Rusia. Estuvo aquí durante la Guerra Fría. La Guerra Fría no se metió contra Estados Unidos.
This is Fukutabi.
Mira, look. Ahí, mira. Todos se mantienen tanto original. Por eso te dice que tienes que
You need to be careful here.
cuidado, no tengo nada.
Careful, careful.
Mira, me queda nadie.
This is their bed or room. Ward room.
Dio miedo, pues.
Another room.
En la otra cuarta no. Creo que eran dos. Two or three.
Another room.
Hay dos niños, ¿no?
Commanding officer stateroom.
Ah, ya. Este es el comandante.
CPO quarters.
Ah, sí. Son este de cuatro.
Yeah.
No, que de cuatro. De ocho.
This one, office. Wow, baby, look at the office.
Oh, ya. Mira la oficina. Esta es la oficina submarina. Sí. Tiene muchas cosas aquí. No, pero no sé qué.
Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you.
The submarine.
Three?
Three.
People. Okay.
And there's no windows.
Ugh.
They sit there 6 hours at a time.
Wow.
6 horas tiene.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Katabi.
Ah, mira. Por aquí a veces tenías que bajar. Mira, una escalera.
Sonar room.
Bajar. Mira, esta para...
Radio room. Ah, look at this. Kitchen. This is the cruise mess. And yeah, the kitchen. Kitchen over there, and then here they eat here. Another quarters.
Population, I think he was like 100.
Yeah. Storing personal items.
Claro. Oh, look. Cosas de los tripulantes aquí. ¿Qué donaron?
Up to the top.
Hasta arriba, mira. Lo mían hasta arriba.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 4.
Eh, over there pa. On that side.
Y en el otro lado también. Over there too. También.
Like washroom or storage. Yeah, crew washroom, toilets.
Oh, yeah.
Other toilets here. Wow. Distiller. Engine room.
Most diesels were very reliable, and you get 2,000, 3,000 hours on it. Well, ours just a couple hundred hours, you major work to be done.
Engine room controller. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. If you're claustrophobic, you cannot enter here. What is this? Motor room hatch. Another restroom. Maneuvering room.
I think they did this. This not originally was not there. On the corner, but
Yeah.
let's see.
We're on our way, guys, to buy halal food, Indian food. You guide me because I cannot see my side.
Let's go halal.
We're gonna try it, guys, because we're not gonna lose anything if we try something new.
I mean, if we don't try new stuff, we don't know how good it is.
Yeah,
We always eat the same
yeah.
until we get bored.
And then earlier we went to the Japanese ramen.
Oh, yeah. I tried
store,
ramen for the first
restaurant.
time.
Yeah,
It was really good.
it was really good. We really enjoyed it.
Yes.
So our lunch is that one. Now we're gonna eat dinner. Halal.
Halal.
Earlier Japanese food, now Indian food.
Yep. What a combination.
What?
But what are we gonna get?
That's the party. Hello, guys. We already got our halal food.
Yes. That was quick.
That was quick, really quick. Not even, I think.
When
2
we got
minutes.
there was like for people in front of us, but It just went down in 1 minute.
I know. That's for today's
Tomorrow
video.
another
guys.
day. Let's
Another
see.
day. Our last whole day. So that's for today's video na guys. Bye-bye. Ciao, gracias.
Bye guys.
Adios.
Adios.
Bye-bye.